First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is open, there we have the headlight from the back side. There's the plug for the bulb that needs to be turned anti-clockwise. Then you may have to wiggle the plug a little bit until you take out the plug. And there you notice the plug along with the bulb taken out. To take out the bulb, we have to press and hold this tab right there and then push the bulb outwards. There we were able to take out the bulb. Now suppose you have a new bulb, never touch the bulb from the glass side with your fingers, because in this way our fingers have some grease in them that we don't see, and that grease stays on the glass. So once the bulb is turned on, at some point in time when it gets heated up, it could blow up the bulb right there. So that's the reason why always try not to touch the glass side with your fingers or your hand. Now we will show you how to put back the bulb. Notice there is a pointer right there on the bulb itself. Make sure that pointer is going towards the tap of the plug. We punch in the bulb and then press it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Just like that. Now we will go ahead and install the plug where it came from. Before installing, just make sure the teeth of the plug itself from all over matches with the teeth of the headlight itself. Now we punch in the plug along with the bulb, and when it's completely in, only then we turn this plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of this bulb. Right besides this, notice there is another bulb, and to replace it, it's exactly the same steps that you have to follow, and you should be fine. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.